Today we would like to show you the DoubleTree Hotel by Hilton in Ploenchit. It's near the Sukhumvit road, but yet quiet. You can walk to the BTS station, it's roughly 500 meters. You get a nice breakfast buffet in the morning and the restaurant is spacious. Let's check out the room next.
Which one? More. Ooh. Ooh, the big room.
The room looks modern, the bed is comfy. It's not that big, but for two people it's more than enough. And you have a smart TV. You get nice views of Bangkok with the highway right next to the hotel. However, you don't hear any cars with the windows closed. You get complimentary water and some snacks, but those are not free. And if you want more drinks, there's a minibar as well. They also got a safe, a hairdryer, an ironing board, and bathrobes. The bathroom is small, but it looks modern.
Oh my god,
What?
the hallway smells so nice.
Smell? But I cannot describe like what smell it is.
Oh, it's just really good smell. Really good smell.
But the ceiling is a bit low compared to your side.
Maybe it's not
You
that.
can reach, but
Can easily put stuff that I'm gonna knock my head or something.
yeah. So one floor, they have 15 rooms. Okay. And they have what? Lounge for you to wait. And that is where we're gonna go, naka? The pool. Spa on 7th floor too.
Together with the gym.
Yes, everything is on 7th floor. อันนี้คือ spa fitness room ไปดู fitness room and this the spa package นะคะ
A bit pricey, but probably normal for hotel.
smell nice here too look so posh 24/7 fitness center How heavy is that one? 4? So 4 on one side or 4 on both sides? เอามาดิ
Have it?
Yes โอ้โห
Oh, super small.
And now we go to swimming pool อุ๊ย I see happy hour side Why stop at just 1 hour? Every day for 4 to 7 p.m. And here's the pool.
I thought they have the peacock.
Oh, I was like, what is that?
If you like beer, you get the beer package. Singa or Chang. For 1 hour, 300 baht?
Plus นะ
It's cheaper.
2 hour ดิ 2 hour 400 เอง
Okay, we're getting drunk tonight.